Today, we're diving into the world of audio upgrades with the NewFantasia replacement cable designed for Hifiman Sundara, Arya, Ananda, and He400 SE headphones. This cable promises to enhance your listening experience with its 3.5mm male and 6.35mm adapter to dual 3.5mm connectors. The cable comes in a generous 3.1 meter length, providing ample room for movement. Its 4mm diameter, 3mm after the bifurcation, ensures durability, and the OFC wire inside promises high-quality signal transmission. The braided, tangle-free exterior adds a touch of sophistication. The dual 3.5mm connectors to 3.5mm and 6.3mm adapter make it versatile, catering to various headphone models. Whether you own Sundara Arya, Ananda, or He400 SE, this cable claims compatibility. In terms of build quality, the NewFantasia cable feels robust and reliable. The connectors fit snugly, reducing the risk of accidental disconnections. The braided exterior not only adds a premium look but also contributes to tangling resistance, which is a practical feature for everyday use. For the audio quality, the cable aims to provide an upgraded hi-fi experience. While individual preferences play a role, many users report improved clarity and a more immersive soundstage when using this cable with their Hifiman headphones. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your audio experience with your Hifiman Sundara, Arya, Ananda, or He400 SE headphones, the NewFantasia replacement cable is a solid option. Its build quality, compatibility, and the promise of enhanced audio make it a worthwhile investment for audiophiles seeking that extra edge in their listening sessions. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.